Hi guys! This video is for my performance task in general chemistry. Now, before we begin, let me introduce myself. I'm Angelica Grace F. Farolan, a grade 11 STEM 14 student at Liceo de Cagayan University. So my discussion is all about the gas pollutant carbon monoxide. Now what is a pollutant? Do you have any ideas? Pollutants are the elements, molecules, and particles involved in pollution, and life can be harmed when exposed to these materials, and the effects of them on the human body are very dangerous. The examples of gas pollutants are carbon monoxide, lead, nitrogen oxides, ground level ozone, sulfur oxides, and many more. Carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is an odorless, colorless gas formed by incomplete combustion of fuels. When people are exposed to CO gas, the CO molecules will displace the oxygen in their bodies and lead to poisoning. Carbon monoxide is a flammable gas that is slightly less dense, meaning to say it has lower air pressure than air, and it consists of one carbon atom and one oxygen atom. What are the sources of carbon monoxide? The greatest sources of carbon monoxide to outdoor air are cars, trucks, and other vehicles or machinery that burns fossil fuels. A variety of items in your home, such as unvented kerosene and gas heaters, leaking chimneys and furnaces and gas stoves, are also sources of carbon monoxide. What is a chemical reaction of carbon monoxide? Now, the carbon monoxide reacts with water vapor at high temperatures, forming carbon dioxide and hydrogen. This process has been used as a source of hydrogen for combination with nitrogen in the synthesis of ammonia. Gas mixtures containing varying ratios of carbon monoxide and molecular hydrogen are called synthesis gas. In this simulation, we will see how carbon monoxide and water vapor reacts. So, let us assume that the red one is the carbon monoxide and the blue one is the water vapor. So now let us first insert the carbon monoxide. Then the water vapor. So it is said that carbon monoxide reacts with water vapor at high temperatures. So let's see how they will react in a high temperature. As you can see, the molecules are moving faster. And this forms carbon dioxide and hydrogen. What are the characteristics of carbon monoxide poisoning? The indications of carbon monoxide poisoning include headache, weakness, dizziness, nausea, fainting, and in severe cases, coma, weak pulse, and respiratory failure. What are the effects of carbon monoxide to the environment? Carbon monoxide is a toxic air pollutant produced largely from vehicle emissions. When carbon monoxide is emitted into the atmosphere, it affects the amount of greenhouse gases which are linked to climate change and global warming. This means that land and sea temperature increases, changing to ecosystems, storm activity, and extreme weather. Now, this is the end of my discussion. I hope you have learned something for today and thank you for watching.